Think I'm gonna start today on the garden. I think you've seen it. All right, before I get started, I'm gonna make this look like this. So first, I want to go and get some coffee. So yeah, hope you're having a great day. And I'm gonna go to store right now. All right, good morning, guys. It's Sunday, about 8:18, and while it's still early and cool, I'm gonna get a jump start on the yard. You've seen the other side. Hopefully I'll have this side looking like that side in a couple of hours. All right, got my coffee, my bagels over there, and let's get started. All right, so I dug a rough line off, storing the dirt. I'm gonna sift through, take the weeds out, and reuse it. I may put it back there to fill it in, or on the other side. I do have another mound of dirt behind the house that I'm gonna eventually transport, so I don't have to transport around front here, so I don't have to dump it to pay money to dump dirt. Anyway, this is a rough line. I'm gonna take this axe here, that end of it, I don't know if you can see it, and I'm just gonna make a trench and hopefully get it curved with that one. Can you see the other one over there? I want to get these lined up. As you see, I was going to bring the line out there. You see that line? But I think this line here is a better match than that line. What do you think? All right, here we go. I really want to get these lines right. All right, more shaping. All right, so remember last weekend, I couldn't put a plant here. I couldn't put that plant right here because there was a pipe. Well, right next to it, I don't know if you can see it. I was trying to dig a hole next to it and there is another pipe. This is crazy. So now I just may have to go. I went right of that hole. So now I may just have to go back some because I do want it to look appealing to the eye, but I don't want it to be too offset. But this entire area, like look at that. That pipe right there. That comes out here. I wish I would have picked that up. Yeah. So, with that being said, I'm gonna try and find another clear spot to put that plant. And then this last one will go over here. I Still have a lot of weeding to do. But as you can see, this is exactly what this edge is for. So all those weeds and roots don't grow from over here to over there. I mean, it looks like a lot right now, but it actually isn't. Once I get that plant in and this plant in, I'm going to put the mulch on top, cover the trim, water the plants, and that's actually it. And I've taken a few breaks, talked to some neighbors. It's only 9:48, so another couple of hours, I should be done. And my goal is to have it look like this side. Okay, I was finally able to find a sweet spot to plant that one. Now I'm going to plant the last one, cover it with mulch, spread all my dirt out. I'm going to take those rocks up. Those are a lot of hard rocks. I'm going to take those up, put them in a bag. And watch out for that snake. And I'm also, remember, I'm just gonna, I don't know if you can see how big this is, but I'm just gonna spread this after I pick out all the weeds and rocks. I'll probably line it back there. Remember, I'm keeping 4 feet off the back of the house. By back, I mean further back. I want grass to grow right there. So, and that's 4 feet. I'm gonna sink my edge, cover it with dirt, put the mulch down. See you in a bit. All right, so that's 7 bags down. I think I have like 6 more. Just took an extended break. I was kind of getting winded. I'm gonna even this out. Put the rest of my dirt back there. Some up here. Clean this pile up, because those are rocks. Those are rocks. How many remember Orange Crush? And this pile is getting smaller, surely but slowly. What doesn't go in the front, I'm just going to layer in the back there. Yeah, that's my Sunday. All right, here we go. All right, everyone, can you tell what side this is? All right, this is the after. Still have some fine tuning to do. I'm gonna take the rest of that dirt from the side of the house, dump it all there, take those rocks, put them in the backyard. Also take some of the dirt, even this out. I'm gonna line that up, put rocks. This is the other side. This is the twin. I'm gonna get these rocks. I'm gonna put them against the barrier, that black trim that you see. I've used some dirt. You see the mound is almost non-existent. But yeah, that's it. I don't think there's gonna be much to show you after this. It's just gonna be minor tweaks that I'm gonna do. Look at this, already blooming. That one and one on the other side. But yeah, that's my Sunday. The project, I'm gonna call it complete. Like I said, just some fine tuning that probably won't be worth showing, making a video about. I think I have a couple more bags of mulch I'm going to end up putting here. But yeah, check it out. You can see the leaves that's fell in it. I'm happy with that. If you're wondering, did it line up? You can tell I have it back on my tennis shoes. You be the judge. And remember, that little kink right there. Oh my gosh, look at my hands, so dirty. Look at my arms. That little kink, you see, I can always take the rake, and just grab it and pull it back this way to shape it. That's what I've been doing. But I'm gonna call it. This is it. Thanks to everyone for hanging in with me for this month-long weekend project. I'm satisfied with that. All right, I'll see you next time on Sixxie's Green Thumb.